Okay, so I put some lava rocks and stuff at the bottom. It's been raining, and so as you can, I'm not sure you can see if I put down here. There is a water level. Basically, this point here is where the pipe comes in, where they all connected. So once the water gets to this point, it kind of flows down. This is kind of keeps the debris out. I'm still working on how I want to do that part, as far as keeping the debris from clogging up the system. But what I'm going to do now is find a way to connect all of these together. Essentially, I'm going to put a pipe that goes from here to here to here to here to here to here, and that way they'll all be kind of connected. So when the worms get to a certain whatever, they can easily be able to flow from one container to another. That way they all kind of, instead of them connecting from the bottom where the water is, they'll be able to connect from the top up here. We'll see how it goes, but that's what's up. So to find out where they'll be lined up, I got a drill, and I basically drilled a hole through here, and it will come out over here, and that's how I'm going to be able to know that it's going to be lined up. Otherwise, it's going to be all weird. Here we go. All right, so most of it's done. Well, so that part is, the project is done. So I have the connections in here. In theory, the worm should be able to climb through here. Of course, they're gonna clog it up. I need to maybe make this one a little bit shorter. Like I said, I most likely, but I can always just put a stick through there if it ever does kind of get too clogged up for my purposes. And once the dirt and settle in here, I just put some new rocks in. So once all of this settled, I can kind of tell what's clear, what's dirty. Then I'm gonna add some more to this, add some layer, and then I can start adding the newspaper. And the stuff that's in here, some of it's gonna come out and get spread out amongst these others. I know I have some worms in here, and then it's gonna move over from there. But so far it's looking pretty cool, and hopefully it makes it through the summer. That's the biggest challenge. Last year when I did it, I waited too late and did it. It was way too hot to be moving worms around. Ideally, I can get them all set up. They can be nice and set up in the system, and they'll be able to handle the heat.